How the hell do you use them?
Just in the car, are you here?
Yeah, I've just walked into the restaurant.
Here we go.
It's 15 days late on his invoice. And I'm also going to send a debt collector. And I've been paid. So this is going to be a realistic day in the life of owning a social media marketing agency. And when I say realistic, I mean realistic. The time now is 10:30 and I've just woken up. I'll be back in a few hours. Love you, bye. So we've just arrived at the location. What's happening? This is the restaurant in question that we're going to be shooting today. Is now. Looks sick though, doesn't it? The first shoot off today has been completed. This is the restaurant in question. There we go, Saga. Need the handshake on video.
Here we go.
Not that hard. Alright, I'll catch you in a bit. Thank you, bro. First shoot off the day is done. Originally, the plan was to go home and get some work done, but I've just had a phone call with a client and arranged on my way home. Luckily, we'll get a shoot done. To be honest, I was running out of content for him anyway, so it's good that I can get in there today with the content creators and capture some content. So this month is pretty much done as well. So on our way there now. Going to be another 52 minutes, get there at 4 o'clock, smash out that shoot and then head home and start editing non-stop all day. It's never a 9 to 5 job when you run your own marketing agency. You're either driving, you're on the road, you're editing, you're speaking to clients, you're just doing so many things at once. You can never go home and just switch off. That's the one thing I miss when I had a 9 to 5 job. Ringo for 2 hours. How are you? You right?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Good.
Not a lot, man. Just a lot to do. Listen, is there no way you can come tomorrow?
No, I'm on a shoot all day tomorrow. It's been booked for 3 weeks.
I'm doing staff training tomorrow. I have everyone here. We're making all the drinks, we're making all the food. So it just makes sense, you know what I mean?
Yeah, no, it makes sense. What time are you doing it though? Alright, cool. Alright, I'll keep you updated.
Alright, thanks.
Alright, bro, bye.
Cheers, man.
We just got to the second location. Let me see where the other guys. Oh, where are you?
Just in the car. Are you here?
Yeah, I've just walked into the restaurant.
Okay, alright, we're just gonna walk in now.
Alright, see you, bro. See you in a minute.
Alright, see you, bro.
Bye. So this is one of my other clients trying to sell me on a TV as soon as I still walk through the door. You ready? I think that's it.
Yeah.
I think that is a wrap. I'm gonna send you that list.
Yeah, send me that list if you can. Pop in on Friday or Saturday just to get some ambience, and I'll get the cheese board with a nice
Friday
one.
no go, Saturday maybe. If
Okay.
not, the following weekend.
I might not be here the following week, that's why.
I'll
I'd rather
still come
do it
in.
while I'm here.
Alright, thank you, bro.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
This is just behind the scenes.
Oh, okay, I see. Nice. Good to
Man's
see you.
come with a takeaway bag.
Take care.
Yeah, same bank details?
Yeah, your one.
Yeah.
I'll send you a new one.
Oh yeah, and then just whenever you can, just fling it back to me, and then we'll talk
Yeah, 100%.
about videos and whatever. Yeah. See you, bro. Catch you in a minute, guys. See you later. Right, that's another day done. 2 shoots have been completed today. I now have to get home, edit content, get the social media posts up and running, and it's just, the time now is 7:30 and my day has nowhere near finished yet. I said to you guys at the beginning of this video, it's going to be a realistic day in the life, and I'll be honest, it's 3 days later. I mean, I could have easily lied and manipulated the editing to make it look like I'm now home and I'm editing, but there's no point in lying. I just want to keep it as real and organic as possible to show you what a day in the life actually looks like. Like, I got home and I had so many things to do and I genuinely forgot to record. Not because I was too busy, but because my mindset is those clients are done now. I don't need to get my camera bag back out. Until this morning, and I started editing this video and I was like, shit, I need to finish the day in the life. So I'm just being honest, that is genuinely what happened. But with that being said, this is the first sort of vlog type day in the life video that I've done. So if you want to see more, be sure to let me know. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.